Hey, so you clicked on this video to try to find some resources on how to write. Well, I do have some answers for you. I'm Wiktoria Hankus. These are some resources I use to help write. So first site I use is Google Docs, and I would say Google Docs can be really helpful. I mean, it's not the usual platforms publishers look to publish with, but it definitely helps me. It's something, yes, I learned about it in school, but it's something that helps me keep my writing organized. I try to use the 12 font, like 12 size, and the font I use is Arial generally, but I would say it's one of the more helpful resources to write with. Some add-ons I use to write on Google Docs are Grammarly, definitely. I mean, it's not that easy always. I don't know how to spell everything, so it's always a good, helpful, useful tool. I mean, Google Docs does have the spell check feature, but I do like to use Grammarly also to find better tone suggestions, stuff like that. But it sure is a help. For making maps for my books, I literally draw them out. I don't really like to use stuff like Google Drawings. I mean, I do use that for cover art, which it does tend to be better, but for maps and stuff like that, I just draw them out. Here are some images that I used to, draw them out. But yeah, that's what I use. But speaking of Google Drawings or Google Art, it's called something like that. It's so useful for making cover art for my books, the front and back. I've used it so many times. I mean, it may not be the easiest for everybody, since you would have to draw out exactly what you would have to put on the cover, but it's so good. I like it so much. It's really easy to transfer from how it is on the site to a PDF or a JPG. It's called something like that, but it sure is a help to making cover art and stuff like that. But that's all for what sites I use to write my books on and what I use to make my writing experiences better. I hope you, the watcher, found some help with it, and I hope it helps you on your writing journey. Alrighty, time to head out. God bless. I'll see you guys on the next one.